If you want to perform factory reset on your Xiaomi 17, let me show you what you can do. So the main way to perform the hard reset of the phone is by going to settings. Over here in settings, we can choose about phone. Now in here, scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find factory reset. And here we have the summary of everything that is going to be removed, which is pretty much everything. And you can tap on erase all data once you are ready. You will need to enter your screen lock password in order to continue, and you also have the option to create a backup. Of course, it is recommended to use a backup in order to not lose anything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. Besides that, another way to factory reset the phone is by using the Google Find Hub, but in order to be able to use it, of course, we need to have the Find Hub enabled on our phone. So if we go to security and privacy, and over here then go to device finders, we can find the Find Hub option, and of course we need to make sure that this device is allowed to be located. After that, you can go to the google.com/android/find website, and in your devices you should be able to find Xiaomi 17. Also make sure that you use the correct account, that you use exactly the same on your phone. And then in here on the left side you can find factory reset device option, which you can use. And last but not least, we can also use the recovery mode. In order to use the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. And then over here we need to slide down to reboot the phone. Wait for this circle to disappear, and then you're going to press and hold the volume up button once it does. And now just keep holding the volume up button all the time. And even if you see the Xiaomi logo, you still want to keep holding the volume up button. We need to keep holding it until we open the recovery mode. So let's see. Soon we should be able to see it. There we go. In this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. So you need to use volume up or volume down. And you want to select the wipe data option. You want to confirm by using the power button. Then over here, go to the wipe all data and once again confirm with the power button, of course. And then you should be able to erase everything from your phone. If you go back to the main menu after wiping the data, you want to choose the reboot option in order to restart your phone. And of course, choose reboot the system. And you will go back to the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.